Have you ever wondered why psychology keeps evolving and how its new discoveries impact our daily lives? Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of human behavior, emotions, and the mind. Today, we're diving into something exciting: the trends shaping the future of psychology. From cutting-edge technology to shifting perspectives on mental health, psychology is advancing at a rapid pace, transforming the way we understand ourselves and the world around us. Stick around, because we're about to unpack some trends that might just blow your mind and even change how you view psychology altogether. Let's get started. 1. Growing focus on mental health awareness. One of the most prominent trends in psychology today is the increasing focus on mental health awareness. Mental health has become a global priority, with campaigns, social media influencers, and even corporations advocating for better mental health practices. This trend is fueled by a growing understanding that mental health is as vital as physical health. Topics like workplace burnout, anxiety disorders, and the importance of therapy are being normalized, breaking long-standing stigmas. Psychology is leading this conversation, emphasizing prevention and early intervention. The rise of positive psychology. Positive psychology, which focuses on human strengths, resilience, and happiness, is gaining significant traction. This trend shifts the narrative from treating mental illness to fostering well-being. Techniques such as gratitude journaling, mindfulness practices, and focusing on personal strengths are now being integrated into therapy and self-help programs. People are not just looking to heal, but to thrive, and positive psychology provides tools to achieve that. Technology's role in psychology. Technology is revolutionizing the field of psychology in unprecedented ways. From teletherapy sessions to apps designed to monitor mood and behavior, the digital age has made mental health resources more accessible. Artificial intelligence is also being used to predict mental health trends, create personalized therapeutic strategies, and even provide immediate support through chatbots. Virtual reality therapy is another game changer, helping individuals confront phobias, PTSD, and anxiety in controlled environments. Neuroscience and brain-based psychology. Advancements in neuroscience are providing deeper insights into how the brain influences behavior, emotions, and cognition. Brain imaging technologies like fMRI and EEG are allowing psychologists to study mental health conditions more accurately. This trend is especially impactful in understanding disorders like depression, ADHD, and schizophrenia. The merging of psychology and neuroscience is paving the way for more precise and effective treatments. Holistic approaches to mental health. The integration of holistic approaches such as meditation, yoga, and nutritional psychology is gaining popularity. There's a growing recognition that mental health isn't just about the mind, it's also connected to the body. Practices like mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, and exploring the gut-brain connection are becoming staples in mental health care. These approaches offer a more comprehensive way to enhance well-being. 6. Cultural sensitivity in psychology. Another emerging trend is the emphasis on cultural competence in psychological practices. Psychologists are increasingly recognizing the importance of understanding cultural, ethnic, and societal influences on mental health. This trend is leading to more inclusive and tailored approaches to therapy, ensuring that individuals from diverse backgrounds feel seen, heard, and understood. Eco-psychology and climate anxiety. As the climate crisis intensifies, a new field within psychology, eco-psychology, is gaining attention. People are experiencing climate anxiety, a form of distress linked to environmental concerns. Psychologists are now exploring ways to help individuals cope with this anxiety while also encouraging sustainable actions. This trend highlights the interplay between human behavior and environmental health. Workplace psychology and the Great Resignation. The pandemic has reshaped workplace dynamics, sparking trends in workplace psychology. Topics like work-life balance, hybrid work models, and employee well-being are dominating discussions. Psychologists are working with organizations to create healthier work environments, emphasizing the importance of empathy, flexibility, and mental health resources in retaining talent. Personalized therapy approaches. Lastly, the trend toward personalized therapy is transforming mental health care. No longer does a one-size-fits-all approach suffice. Therapists are now using data-driven techniques to tailor interventions to each individual's needs. Cognitive behavioral therapy, dialectical behavior therapy, and trauma-informed care are becoming more nuanced and specific, ensuring better outcomes for patients. Psychology is no longer confined to textbooks and academic discussions. It's evolving, adapting, and meeting the needs of our changing world. These trends are not just shaping the field, but also touching every aspect of our lives, from how we manage stress to how we connect with others. If today's video gave you a new perspective on psychology, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into the mind and behavior. Which of these trends intrigued you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching our channel. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and take care of your mind.